Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread no oven easy method. Gather ripe bananas, a heavy saucepan or slow cooker, 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 egg, 1 tsp baking powder, and a loaf pan with parchment. Mash bananas, mix wet and dry ingredients, then pour into a greased pan. Cook covered on low heat and check with a toothpick until it comes out clean, then cool before slicing. For best results, use 2 to 3 very ripe bananas and room temperature egg and dairy to ensure even mixing. Sift dry ingredients to avoid lumps and fold gently to keep bread tender. If using a saucepan, create a heat buffer by placing a metal rack under the loaf to prevent direct contact with the flame. Check doneness with a toothpick and let the loaf rest to finish steaming before slicing. Pick the method that fits your setup. Stovetop if you want speed, slow cooker for hands-off, or steaming for ultra-moist results. For stovetop, maintain low heat and rotate the pan occasionally to avoid hot spots. In a slow cooker, line with parchment and cook on low for several hours until a skewer comes out clean. Steam method needs a tight lid and occasional water checks to maintain consistent steam.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.